Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be sharing a few ways how I style my boho locks, and also share with how I maintain them. Now this is synthetic hair, so I will share with you how I maintain it. Okay, so let's start off with the styling of it. First product I will use is this product, and I will put this on the curls.
Stay with her sister now. She got a man, but he out of town. Soon as he out of town, they hop in his whip and they
I'm gonna use this.
I watch him climb to the top of the pole and they get to sliding. Thought about trapping and playing.
And this is very light. I think it's just water-based mousse. Now it doesn't leave your hands sticky or anything. And it smells really good. And I'm gonna use this mousse to keep that product in.
I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but baby, bitch, on my line, I can feel what's
So first up,
spend the whole wearing it down. I'm going on like a sawn off. You tell these hoes you ain't curling. Who's eating up, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off. But with me, you know, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity. Cute that you lame, damn, cause it's mad I can fake like it's hang. You slime me, yo out, you slime me, yo out, you slime me, yo out. Oh, oh,
oh, oh. Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Hey. 4L step team stepping on shit till it's pride. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it, let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he signed, do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Now what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad?
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds, 2 inches and slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I ready?
Like this 100% of the time, unless I'm in the house and I'm doing something, I'm having it in a bun or just wrapped up. So that sums up today's video, guys. If you do like the content that you are seeing, if you have not watched the previous videos, check those out. If you want to see other videos, let me know down below so that I can get that content rolling. If I don't have the engagement, I can't get you the content, and it takes hours depending on the style, the editing, the process. It takes time. Like doing this hairstyle here took me 11 hours. Kid you not. I started about 1:30. No, this took 12 hours. 11 hours, 12 hours. Started at like 1:30, party. Didn't finish till like 3:30 with the party. Then I took a break to cook dinner. And then I didn't get to finish till 12:20. Okay, so it's a lot that goes into this process, and I just want to get y'all good content. So if you're not engaged with it, I can't provide that great content that y'all deserve. But if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just engage with me. Thanks, guys. Bye.